Reassembly. To reassemble the PlayStation 2, you can start off by reattaching the 5 ribbon cables to the DVD drive, 4 cables from the drive to the main board, and 1 final cable that connects to the laser assembly. Replace the metal shield. Be sure to align the 2 tabs on the back and press down to snap into place, as well as the larger clip on the front. Then thread the cable back into the plastic slot. Turn the unit over and insert the first screw on top. Then turning the unit back over, insert the 7 identical screws into the metal plate. And then the 2 matching screws for a total of 9 screws. Turn the unit over and slide the cooling fan and power connection back into place. Reconnect the cooling fan cable. Reinsert the plastic heat shield. Replace the metal plate and snap into place. Reconnect the power supply cable. Then, be sure to align and reconnect the 4-prong connector on the underside of the power supply. Replace the 4 screws, 1 in each corner. Turn the unit over and replace the 1 screw for the power connector. Then reinsert the unit back into the bottom casing, being sure to leave the ribbon cable sticking out. Reattach the connector and place the controller port back into the correct position. And replace the 2 screws on either side. Replace the DVD cover drive plate and insert the 4 screws. Then, to replace the top casing of the PlayStation 2, reconnect the power button and cable by aligning it to the hole and snapping it into place. Careful to keep the cable inside the unit, align the cover to the front of the unit and snap it into place, being sure that it lines up properly and is flush with the bottom. Flip the unit over and replace all the screws. Reinsert the 4 rubber feet in the corners and the plastic screw covers over the remaining screw holes. And that should complete the reassembly of the PlayStation 2.